This tutorial walks you through the process of setting up a cloud desktop pool using Workspot control for your Azure public cloud. Begin by logging in to Workspot control with your account. Navigate to the Resources tab at the top of the page, then select Add Pool on the Cloud Desktop Pool Setup page. In the drop-down menu next to Select a Cloud, select the previously created Azure cloud under Bring Your Own Cloud Subscription. Choose the pool usage type, named or concurrent, and select the template you've previously created for this pool. Under Region, pick the appropriate network for the cloud desktop pool. Specify the VM class, disk class, and disk size. Then provide a name and display name for the desktop pool. Enter the number of desktops to create in this pool and set a prefix for the desktop names. For this tutorial, we'll keep the Route Through Gateway field set to Never. Decide on an action for idle shutdown. Refer to the Getting Started guide for details on other fields in this form. Once all the required information is filled in, click Create. After a few minutes, your desktops will be ready for use when the status field indicates Ready.